A rookie error. This species of beetle tastes so disgusting. No chameleon makes the same mistake twice. On a few special mornings, the dunes are blanketed in fog. Just what this little beetle has been waiting for. Dimpled ridges on his back cause the mist to condense there. And channel it towards his mouth. He conjures water from thin air. They can drink almost half their weight in water. Beetles coming down the hill are a lot juicier than those going up. The chameleon may not be as well suited to life here as some, but if you can't beat them, eat them.